Yo, it is now 3:40, and I'm actually waiting for the guy that is going to fix this. If you can see, it's broken. Yeah, and my landlord said that he is coming, but yeah, it's already 3:40 and didn't come. I actually moved all the other stuff to that side so that he can work properly. So yeah, I am going out now. I don't wanna lose this feeling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel that same? Oh, that cars look good. We are going to be eating in this Chinese takeaway, Chinese restaurant. Yeah, we are going to eat here. Oh, let's leave this. Okay, that's it. I finished it. That cost $18.50 with this water. I will show you some of their vegetables. Nice. It is now a little bit raining, or there is a drizzle, sparkling of water. Oh, it's sprinkler of water at the moment. Yeah, but there are still many people on that side. Yeah, the water park is closed at the moment. I see that there are many people in there. Even this yacht, it will be cruising, and I can see from here that there is a group of guys in there. They are just relaxing at the back of their yacht. Nice. I feel it in my finger, I feel it in my toes. It's all brand new. It's all brand new. It's sweet in the wind. I'm crazy for you. And this is how it is here. You notice that there are many people in there. Yeah. Nice. We're going to buy a cup of coffee. Or they changed the setup. Maybe they are renovating, because they closed this part and it says the order will be from that side. Oh, very good. Bitter, a little sweet. We are back here in this little beach, and you know, one thing I noticed is that the place looks like a place in Istanbul. Yeah, I've been in Istanbul, and yeah, it looks like it feels the same like that this time, because of many Arabic looking people and European looking people. Yeah, in Istanbul it is like that. Oh, nice. Yeah, those two lorikeet, they just fly away, but they look so cute while drinking water from that like a bowl. Yeah, and there are many lorikeets that side. and many people on that side down there. Yeah, and do you know that there is like a, yeah, that's carnival, but there are no, I think it's closed and will operate tonight, I'm not sure. With you I can stay with you, I just can't stop loving you. Oh, nice. Yeah, this restaurant, they are still open. Maybe because it's holiday. Yeah, they usually all close by 2 o'clock. Yeah, the time now is around 5 o'clock. Looks like this guy got one. We're not sure. We'll have a look. Oh no, it's broken. Yeah, this guy, they cut a small fish, and for sure they're going to put it back in the water. Oh, I remember, maybe, yeah, 2 weeks ago, we are working in the kitchen, and then the waiter asked the chef if they can, yeah, because there is one guest caught a fish, and they're asking if we can cook it. Chef said no, we don't do that. So yeah, and when we see the fish, it's very small. It's illegal to catch those small fish, but it's already dead, so we keep it in the freezer. And yeah, they took it when they check out. It is now 5:44. We are home. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Going out for a short time. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 6:37. I just charged that battery last night. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to do my laundry. Yesterday I did my uniform. I washed my uniform, even if it is not sunny. It is outside now. I hope it is dry already. Because in the afternoon yesterday, it becomes sunny at around 6. Yeah, while I was watching the news, it's become sunny. I forgot to show you, but this long sleeve, this is coming from Sumodo. Yeah, Christmas gift to me from Sumodo. And this is coming from Ronald. 2 years ago, he gave it to me when I went to, yeah, when I did my bike packing, bike travel, and I stay in the house of Ronald. Ronald gave this pants to me. Thank you, Ronald. Oh, if you remember yesterday, I said that there's a guy that is going to fix this. Yeah, he came here yesterday afternoon. I was watching the news. Also, my landlord. So, yeah, he's going to fix it tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll be at work tomorrow. And I'm now hungry. Oh, it falls down. This is the ginger. I keep it in the freezer. We're going to eat some peanut butter sandwich. Yes, you can put your bread in the freezer. Many hotel and restaurant, they are doing that. In Dubai, yeah, around the world. Yeah, this is the peanut butter here. I remember the peanut butter in the Philippines, which is really creamy. I mean, yeah, the oil is some kind like a separating from the paste. And that one is very tasty. I remember that. That probably is homemade. That one in the Philippines. But of course, there are some kind that is also similar to this one. Yeah, my laundry is finished now. But look at this. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I'm going to rinse it again by hand. Yeah, that one is dry already. From time to time, I'm seeing clothes on the ground. So I'm picking it and it's already dry. Like that one. Those are not yet. I'm actually now hungry. And yeah, we're going to eat. If you remember this one, yeah, leftover from yesterday. We're going to make it a delicious meal. Delicious. And this is our lunch today. It's nice. Already 12 o'clock.